Music. Is Coinfloor the crypto platform for you? Let's find out. Full details are in the description below. This review covers key features, its target audience, and whether it's a good investment choice. Coinfloor is a long-standing UK Bitcoin exchange, renowned for regulatory compliance, transparent operations, and Bitcoin-focused investing. Unlike platforms supporting numerous cryptocurrencies, Coinfloor exclusively handles Bitcoin. This makes it perfect for long-term Bitcoin investors and traders prioritizing security and simplicity. The user-friendly interface suits both beginners and experienced traders. UK users can deposit and withdraw GBP via faster payments, SEPA, and international bank transfers. Coinfloor's standout auto-buy feature automates Bitcoin purchases through recurring buys, ideal for dollar-cost averaging. Security is paramount. Coinfloor adheres to strict UK regulations and implements 100% multi-signature cold storage, minimizing hack risks. Regular proof of reserve audits ensure transparent holdings, something many exchanges lack. Active traders benefit from low fees, 0% maker fees and 0.3% taker fees, decreasing with volume. Professional trading tools and a robust API support automated strategies. However, margin trading, futures, and altcoins are not offered, maintaining the Bitcoin focus. Coinfloor is excellent for UK Bitcoin investors seeking a secure, regulated, and transparent exchange. It's ideal for long-term holders, institutions, and those valuing financial transparency and compliance. Want a simple, reliable way to buy and hold Bitcoin? Explore Coinfloor. Links are in the description.